Hey, I'm Reid. This is my brother Bryer. We're here from Inline Hockey Training, and today I'm going to show you how I like to do a Mohawk.
The Mohawk is a deceptive skating move used to change direction or open up your hips to the side while maintaining forward momentum, but mainly used to turn around in a tight space such as behind the net. Here's my little brother Reid practicing his Mohawks. To execute the Mohawk, you simply pick up a foot and place it behind the other, heel to heel, bending your knees. If this feels difficult, you probably need to bend your knees more. Here is a great drill to use the Mohawk to get quickly around the net for a wraparound. Another great drill can be done with two gloves or pucks and simply skating in a figure 8 pattern, mohawking around the two objects. For a slightly more advanced drill, try laying your stick down and mohawking around it, pushing with the heel of the back foot. You can simply change directions by stepping over the stick every few turns.
Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Be sure to keep your eyes open for more inline hockey training videos. And be sure to like and subscribe down below.